Hello guys, and welcome to another video from Vintage Radar. Today I'm going to show you how to switch between T1 and T2, so time 1 and time 2 on your Timex Ironman Triathlon. As you can see, we are now being shown time 1, so T1. If I shortly press the start and split button, you will be able to see the T2, but if you press and hold the button long enough, it will switch to T2. You are going to hear a small beep, and now we are being shown T2, so the second time zone, in case you want to use, let's say, the GMT function of this particular model, or the world time function if you want to track two time zones at the same time. Now if I want to see now time 1, you can see that I can shortly press the start and split button, or if I want to switch back to the time 1, I can simply press and hold in order to switch back to time 1. In order to to make all the settings, we are going to press and hold the set and recall button, and here instead of going with time 1, you can easily go with setting the second time, and then we are going to use the mode button in order to do all the settings for the time 2. And then if I want, when I arrive once again at the beginning, I can switch to time 1, and then by continuing using the mode button, I can go and do a small change to let's say time 1, and then when I want to end the process, I'm going to press the set or recall button once again, and that is how you switch between T1 and T2, and also how you set the two time zones that you have on your Timex Ironman Triathlon watch. Guys, in case you want to watch the full video on all the functions and features of your Timex Ironman Triathlon, make sure to check out the link in the description box below, because there are a bunch of functions and I'm pretty sure you are going to enjoy it, guys. I'm going to also link it somewhere around here, so make sure to click this video in order to watch next. If you enjoyed this video, guys, make sure to give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, let me know what you would like to see next on this YouTube channel. Make sure to be subscribed, and I'm going to see you guys on the next video.